I'm going to show you a spell to initiate communication with your specific person. And this is a channel spell that was given to me, and I will just show you the way, exactly the way I has been shown. You need a piece of paper, a pen, and your perfume. Now, if you don't use perfume, you can use your moisturizer or something like that. And even if you don't have that shit, I can show you what exactly to do. But a piece of paper, white paper, no lines, and a blue pen is required. Okay, this is blue pen because blue is a color of communication. All right, before I start this explaining how the spell works, I'm going to tell you, this is important to make sure that you are doing this spell on a person who you have a history with. So you cannot use it for somebody you have a crush and they don't even know you. Just literally have no feelings for you. This is not going to work from them. Okay. This is only going to work for the people you have a history, like you had a kind of, relationship for even for a small amount of time. Doesn't matter. They express their feeling for you, and now due to some anger, fight or something, they are not talking to you, but you have a history. The reason being, this is only works for those people who had a past connection. And normally I would not do any love ritual or on somebody who has, I would not recommend you to do, who has no history with you. Or if somebody is with a happy relationship with somebody else and you do this spell to, bring them towards you, that shit is not going to work. It doesn't work. Whichever you do, it doesn't work. Now, another thing I must tell you, intention is very important. Very, very important. If you really love this person, do not do this spell on somebody whom you don't love. You really love this person and you know they love you, and due to some reason fight is going on and you are not communicating. Now, if you want to do this is a very channel spell, so it's a very powerful one. If you want to do the spell on somebody so that they can communicate to you and you can take your revenge on them, don't do this. Okay, this is very important thing that I need to clear to you. Okay, now let's get started. So you need a piece of paper. Now, whatever it needs to be completely white. Now you tear this piece of paper with your own beautiful hands. All right. So don't use scissors because this is energy. We need to cut this with our hands to make a square piece, square, rectangle, whatever shit comes up. I don't care, oval, but you need to tear all the sides of it with your own hands. I didn't do it. Who really cares? You do it. All right. All the 4 sides. And another thing, sorry, I forgot to mention. So you need to have the piece of paper and the pen, whatever sheet you are using. You need to cleanse them. Cleansing is important. Cleansing is like you can take a incense stick with the smoke. You pass it and say that thank you so much. Say thanks to the incense stick for cleansing the energy of any other person attached to this. The reason being, when you are using any ingredient for your spell or ritual, you are sending your intention to the universe. Now, if there is another person who was dealing with it before, like somebody in the store where you bought it, who they were angry, had some negative feelings, who really cares? Or their specific person's feeling, I don't know the shit. So I don't want any other person's energy attached to this. So that's the reason cleansing of everything that you will be using is important. And you also cleanse yourself. And while you are playing with the energy, I always recommend to put a candle. Okay. Everything cannot be said in this small amount of time, but there are certain things you need to know when you are doing this kind of ritual. All right. Google it. What are the things that you should be doing before doing any spell? Research is very, very important. Just randomly doing stuff, it's not good. Sometimes they backfire. So listen. Keep a candle for your protection, or you take any kind of protection from any, shielding your energy. That's important. So keep a candle. You can keep a white candle or black candle with the intention that is protecting you and the space. All right, saying that, now cut this piece of paper. All right, now there's the main thing. So you want to initiate the communication from your Babu, Shona, Jadu, Tona, whoever. Now let me just start with this. So you first say that what is the mode of communication you want. That needs to be clear because you have to have a clear intention. If you don't have a fucking clear intention, you're not going to get anything. Or they communicate to you by how, what you want. So either you can say they message me, they call me, they WhatsApp me, they message me in Snapchat, wherever shit. I don't care. So you know this, right? So suppose call. You want to initiate a call from this person. So first of all, what are you going to do? I'm going to show you a little bit tilted here. Oh, my mobile, sorry. Just a moment. I think that shit is good enough here. Anyways, who really cares? But you can see this. That's the most important. All right. So here, I'm going to write down your specific person's full fucking name. Now, if you tell me you don't even know the fucking full name of the person, you have no history with this person. And you are not going to do this spell for them. No. You need their fucking full name and date of fucking birth. All right. Because as I said, You cannot do it on the random dude who you don't know, who really don't care about you, who gives zero flying fuck about you. No. You only do it with a person who you have a history with. Now, you write your person's name, whoever. Babu, my Babu. Oh my God, look at my pen. My Babu. And Babu's date of birth. So, my Babu here and Babu's date of birth. Now, you write your name on the bottom, okay? My name and date of birth. Now listen, don't write my Babu. Your Babu must have a name. So put that name over there. Babu, Shona, Jadu, Tona, whatever the fucking name, write the name here. And don't write my name. Write your name. Okay, whatever your name. John Doe, Jane Doe, whoever. Write it down here. And your date of birth. Alright? So now here, what you want? Call. So if you want a SMS or text or whatever shit, you write it. Whoever. My Babu date of birth. So write down their name here. My Babu calls me daily. Now under daily you write 3 lines. Now see, this is very important. What is this? My Babu. I know it is looking flipped, but you know what? That's your problem, not my problem. I cannot do anything better than this. This is how the selfie camera works. My Babu date of birth. My Babu, but again their name, whatever the Babu's name. Okay, John Doe, Jane Doe, whoever Doe, Play Doh. So write down, my Babu calls me daily. The daily goes in the bottom, and there under the daily there will be 3 lines. 3 fucking lines. 3 is important. 3 is my lucky number, but the channel message comes with number 3. So I don't know. Put 3 lines. So if you want an email, my Babu emails me daily. My Babu texts me daily. Whatever shit. Now once this is done, look at this. Then again, your name was here, right? Here. Now, what are you gonna do? You're gonna draw 3 arrows from your Babu to you. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work. Can you just see me here? If you can't, I can't help. Look at this. My Babu crossing this, there will be an arrow. One will go to this. I'm gonna show you, don't worry. Okay. So 3 arrows. So from my Babu to you, crossing this line. And one of them should be crossing these 3 lines. One this side, one that side, one on the bottom. Arrow. 3 arrows coming down. So these 3 arrows are representing the communication coming from your Babu, which is this one. Right? Now this is very important. Make sure that you did it correctly. Arrows. 3 arrows. Okay. Now, if you are watching me in Hindi, अगर आप हिंदी में देख रहे हो ये वीडियो, तो मैं आप लोगों के लिए बता देती हूँ. For the people who understand English only, please give a pause for a few seconds or minutes. I need to speak it in Hindi too. And if this becomes more than 10 minutes, please watch this full video in my YouTube channel. Let's Ask Tarot. Anyways, so अगर आप मुझे देख रही हो वीडियो, आप देख रहे हो you only understand हिंदी, अगर आपको सिर्फ हिंदी आता है, तो ये white piece of paper लेना, उसके साइड को ऐसे टेयर कर लेना, क्लेंजिंग कर लेना. कोई भी इंग्रेडिएंट आप यूज करोगे तो उसको क्लेंजिंग करना जरूरी होता है. तो एक अगरबत्ती लेके उसके स्मोक से ऐसे ऐसे हर एक चीज को जो आप यूज कर रहे हो उसको घुमाओ और बोलो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर क्लेंजिंग. इसको क्लींस करने के लिए थैंक यू. जिसको भी आप मानते हो, भगवान, यूनिवर्स, उनको थैंक दो. अच्छा, होने के बाद आप क्या करोगे, उसके ऊपर इस पेपर का हर एक साइड आपने अपने हाथ से ऐसे टेयर कर लेना है. कांची से नहीं काटना है, हाथ से करना है. तो उधर पे आपको लिखना है माय नेम, आपका जो नाम है, आपका डेट ऑफ, सॉरी, आपका बाबू का जो नाम है, आपका जो बाबू, सोना, जादू टोना जो भी है, उनका फुल नेम चाहिए. फुल नेम अगर नहीं होता है तो नहीं होगा ये स्पेल. ठीक है, तो आपको लिखना है फुल नेम, डेट ऑफ बर्थ. इधर पे आपको लिखना है जो आपका माय बाबू और उनका जो नाम है, कॉल्स मी, और आपको जो चाहिए, कॉल चाहिए, मैसेज चाहिए, जो भी है वो आप लिखो, कॉल्स मी डेली. और डेली लिखने के बाद 3 लाइन ऐसे क्रॉस करनी है, इसके नीचे 3 लाइन लगानी है और उसके नीचे आपके फुल नेम एंड डेट ऑफ बर्थ लिखनी है. ठीक है, उसके बाद 3 एरो लगानी है ऊपर से आपके बाबू के नाम से आपके तक करना है, ऐसे करके. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया ना अब तक? ओके, लेट्स गो बैक टू इंग्लिश. नाउ लिसन, once you do this part is done. Now what are you going to do? You're going to take your perfume and make 3 sprays on this. All right, so first spray goes here on your babu's name, second on the daily, और इधर on your date of birth, on your name. So क्या किया मैंने? 1 spray on आपके babu's name, second spray on the middle on that thing, and the 3rd spray over here. I know this piece is going to look like this, messy. It will be like a messy thing, but that's okay. That's perfectly fine. Now, if you don't have a perfume, if you don't have a perfume, what are you going to do? You're going to use this paper and use it all over, rub it all over your body. all over your body, top to bottom, wherever, everywhere. Alright? So आपको क्या करनी है, अगर आपके पास परफ्यूम नहीं है, so आपको ये पूरा बॉडी में रैप करनी है ऐसे करके, so that it absorbs your energy, it gets infused with your energy. Now what are the next steps? You fold this paper towards you 3 times. Folding it towards you 3 times. So 1, move it to your right, okay, another one, move it to your right, another one, 3 folds. So you make 3 folds. Got your point? Now आपको क्या करनी है हिंदी में. So you have to take this after you आपने जो किया है ये इन्फ्यूज करने के बाद आपको ये पेपर को अपनी तरफ से फोल्ड करनी है, आउटसाइड नहीं फोल्ड करनी है, अपनी तरफ फोल्ड करनी है एक बार, फिर आपको राइट साइड में घुमाओ, सॉरी वो जो भी है राइट साइड में घुमाओ, एक बार फोल्ड किया, फिर राइट साइड में घुमाओ, एक बार फोल्ड किया. सो यू नीड टू मेक 3 folds of this one. Now 3 folds. After you made these 3 folds, now keep rubbing it under your palms, and now completely envision. This is very, very important. If you don't do this part, this shit is not gonna work. Don't tell me. So this is important. When you're just rubbing it in your hand, keep thinking about your person, and you think that you got the notification. So what is the notification? You got the call. Suppose you got the call. The mobile is ringing. And how will you feel if suddenly when you are doing this spell and that person call you on the mobile, the notification came? You will be excited, like feel it in your body. See how the notification will come, how the ringtone comes. Or if you got a message from them, how will be the signal, it will be showing on the screen. How you will be feeling in your body. That's important. Okay, and then whatever you are thinking, whatever you are expecting from this to happen, just envision that it is coming on your mobile, the notification has come, and you are actually feeling it in your mind. And then that's the most vividly you believe it, that you got it, you actually got it. Then you say that, holding in your hand, thank you universe that I got the call or text or whatever you want to say from my Babu. My Babu means the name of the person. So thank you so much, I got this from them. This is my wish, so mote it be. Okay, and after that what you do, put it inside your pillowcase. Put it inside your pillowcase, and 3 nights you need to sleep with this one. 3 nights you need to sleep with this one, and on 4th day you will burn this. All right, the 4th day you will be in the morning, you will burn this and throw the release that ashes in the universe. And now very important thing about this, once you do it, forget about this spell. Forget about this spell. This is very important. If you keep thinking that, oh, I did it, it is not coming, it is not coming, you need to distract yourself from this spell. That you didn't even do the spell. You totally forgot the spell. Okay. This is very important, it is detachment from any outcome of the spell is very, very important. If you can't detach yourself from the spell and keep thinking that I did the spell, is it working, it is not going to work. Detachment, first thing is in setting intention, doing the process in the correctly and infusing with your intention, and the third thing is detachment. If these 3 steps are not done correctly, no spell work works. Okay, so this is important, just do that. Just let me finish this in Hindi. तो आपको इसको क्या करने, अपने हाथ में लेके फील करनी है, जो आप चाहते हो वो आपको मिल गया, आपका कम्युनिकेशन आ गया, आपका मैसेज आ गया, आपका टेक्स्ट आ गया, जो भी है आपका आ गया, वो आप देखो कि आपका मोबाइल में नोटिफिकेशन, एंड फील इट, एंड अपने दिमाग में ऐसे मूवी जैसा बनाओ कि देख रहे हो आप, ये हो रहा है आपकी जिंदगी में, आपको मिल गया, आप यू आर एक्साइटेड दैट आपको मिल गया वो कम्युनिकेशन. उसके बाद आपको इसका अपना पीलो केस में रख के 3 नाइट सोनी है. 4th नाइट मॉर्निंग में आपको इसको जला देना है, एशेस को यूनिवर्स में रिलीज करना है, और यूनिवर्स को बोलना है थैंक यू यूनिवर्स, I have got this. Sorry, when you are infusing, आपको बोलना है कि I got, sorry, before you just put it in the pillow. भूल जाती हूँ यार. Anyway, so आप जब इसको हाथ में रख के बोल रहे हो तो बोलना thank you universe that I got the message. This is my wish, so mote it be. उसके बाद पिलो के नीचे पिलो के अंदर रख के 3 रात सोना है, नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग उसको जला देना है. लेकिन स्पेल करने के बाद आपको कंप्लीटली डिटैच करना है उस स्पेल से. भूल जाना है आपने स्पेल किया है, भूल जाना है कि आपका आउटकम क्या चाहिए, आपको सब कुछ भूल जाना चाहिए. स्पेल हो गया, डन एंड डस्टेड, फॉरगेट अबाउट इट, डिटैच. अगर डिटैचमेंट नहीं करोगे तो स्पेल वर्क डजंट वर्क. ओके, वेरी वेरी केयरफुल. और जब स्पेल करोगे एक व्हाइट कैंडल जला के बैठना, ये प्रोटेक्शन के लिए होता है. और आप कुछ भी प्रोटेक्शन यूज कर सकते हो फॉर योर एनर्जेटिकल प्रोटेक्शन. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. So I hope this helps you, and yeah, let me know if you have any question about it. I will try to answer. All right, take care, bye.